What's up, guys? This is Josh from hdflorida.com. I'm here at the beautiful Harley-Davidson of Newport Richey facility, and I'm also here with this beautiful 2023 Road Glide Limited in the bright Billiard blue and Billiard gray two-tone. The Road Glide Limited is the biggest, beefiest bike in the entire Harley-Davidson family, and because of that fact, it is undoubtedly the best at covering pure mileage. Harley-Davidson says that this bike is perfect for riders seeking a fully loaded, comfortable experience covering mile after mile, full of gear, and with a passenger. Up front we see the gloss black Slicer 2 wheels. These are probably my favorite factory wheels from this year, bolted of course to the floating rotors and Brembo design calipers that we know and love. Those combined with the 49mm dual bending valve front fork suspension that we've seen for the last few years helps keep the front end nice and tidy and under control no matter what the situation. This new bright Billiard blue with Billiard gray two-tone is such a sharp looking color. I believe that is Billiard red, the pinstripe separating the two blocks. So far, everybody seems pretty impressed by this colorway and this tank decal too. I really like the mix of textures, the like dark plus the chrome, really sharp. Of course, the Road Glide Limited is equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, making around 122 foot-pounds of torque. This frame and this motor is a match made in heaven. It's efficient, it runs cool, it's strong, really complements the motorcycle, even in stock configuration. Of course, we can't talk about a fully dressed touring motorcycle without talking about luggage and cargo space. In addition to the two side-mounted saddlebags that you get on every other touring bike, the Road Glide Limited is equipped with the Tour Pack, the full-size King Tour Pack. The King Tour Pack is large enough to fit two full-size motorcycle helmets, and Harley-Davidson does make molded, fitted bags for each compartment, which just makes it really easy to pack everything to the perfect shape. It just slips in the saddlebag no matter how full you stuff it. The 2023 Road Glide Limited is also equipped with the same 6.5-inch Boombox GTS infotainment system that has come previously on the last few years of our touring models. Bluetooth, radio, available satellite upgrade, really great GPS system makes this infotainment system pretty indispensable. The 2023 Road Glide Limited comes factory equipped with ABS brakes and electronic linked braking. That's the system that when you slam on the front brake or rear brake, it'll send a little bit of that power to the other one to keep the suspension balanced. All right, guys, that's it for the 2023 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited. If you haven't ridden a Road Glide Limited, it's definitely a different ride for full-size touring, for sure, with the fixed fairing. If you haven't test ridden one, I'd highly encourage you to do so. We do test rides for free every single day. All you need is 4 things: boots, pants, a helmet, and a motorcycle endorsement. That'll get you on the road with one of our highly qualified sales associates to get into the real nitty-gritty of this bike and make sure it fits you properly. If you like this video, please make sure you like it. It helps me out. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date with all the cool stuff that we make. I'll put 2 more videos on the screen here for the new stuff that we make as well. If you want to keep on watching, there's more 2023 videos coming down the pipeline. If you don't want to do any of those things, I hope you have a great day.